Hello students! Welcome back to our grammar class. Today, we're going to explore an exciting topic, synonyms and antonyms. These are powerful tools that make your language richer and more precise. Synonyms are words that have the same meaning. They allow us to use different words to convey the same idea. See the example? Here, food and cuisine are synonyms because they mean the same thing. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. They help us express contrast in language. Check the example. Here, courageous and cowardly are antonyms as they express opposite ideas. Let's look at some common words with their synonyms and antonyms. Bend. Here check for the word bend having the meaning curve and antonym straighten. Check the example given. Brave. For the word brave having the meaning having courage or facing danger and antonym cowardly. Check the example given. Care. For the word care having the meaning to be cautious or attentive and antonym careless. Check the example given. Chill. For the word chill having the meaning to be cold or cool and antonym hot. But check the example given. Disclose. Here check for the word disclose having the meaning to reveal or make known and antonym hide. Check the example given. Eat. Here check for the word eat having the meaning to consume food and antonym starve. Check the example given. Foolish. For the word foolish having the meaning lacking good sense or judgment and antonym intelligent. Check the example given. Man. For the word man having the meaning an adult male human and antonym woman. Check the example given. Neat. For the word neat having the meaning tidy or well organized and antonym untidy. Check the example given. Make. For the word make having the meaning to create or construct something and antonym destruct. Check the example given. Take a moment, think carefully and try to frame sentences with these words. Now check the correct answers. Wonderful effort today. Keep revising these words and your English will become richer and more expressive. See you in the next class.